morning. Mark Fidget here. NotApennyDown.com. I've got some great news for you today. I'm sending you something that I've never sent you before. It's a ScreenFlow program that's going to show you a financial wellness program that's going to blow your socks off. If you're like me, you like to see things. So right now, sit down, relax, follow along with me on the screen here, and I'm going to show you this program that's literally going to blow your socks off. Last week, I had a client referred to me, and her name was Mary. And I'm going to show you where Mary was when she was first referred to me. Take a look at her balance sheet. If you look on the left-hand side here of her assets, she's got a home worth $350,000. She's got RRSPs to the tune of $20,000. She's got other investments to the tune of $15,000. She's got total assets of $385,000. Now follow me to the right-hand side here in the red. She's got a current mortgage for $225,000, and that carries with it a monthly payment of $1,335. Below that, you'll notice she's got a car loan for $25,000. She's got a line of credit that she's into for $15,000, and she's got total credit card debt of $15,000. So if you total up her liabilities here and you take it away from her assets, her net worth is $105,000. So this is how Mary looked when she was referred to me. Now I'm going to move down the page here and I'm going to show you something incredible. But before I do that, I want to explain something about RRSPs that you may or may not know. You can contribute to an RRSP based on a percentage of your income. Now, you may choose to contribute all or part of that limit. But whatever you don't contribute, it carries through to the following year. So in Mary's situation, she hadn't contributed for quite a while. In fact, she had $40,000 available in her RRSP contribution. So look at where I took Mary after I met with her. As you'll notice, she currently had a mortgage of $225,000. We bumped her mortgage up to $280,000. So we basically took out $55,000 out of her home. Now, one thing you're going to notice before I go any further is her current payment was $1,335. Now it's $1,200. You might ask, how do you take money out and increase my mortgage but decrease my payment? Well, we did it two ways. Number one is we decreased her interest rate that she had on her previous mortgage, and we also slightly increased her amortization. But now let me show you what we did with that $55,000 and how incredibly well it worked for Mary. We took $40,000 of that $55,000 and we put it immediately into her RRSP because, as I said before, she had $40,000 available in her contribution. As soon as we contributed that $40,000 to her RRSP, guess what? It triggered a tax return for Mary for $15,000. That's right, $15,000 she got back right from the government immediately by putting $40,000 into her RRSP. So with that $15,000, I suggested she pay off her line of credit, which she did. So as you'll notice here, her line of credit is at zero. But you'll also notice below that her credit card balance is also at zero. Well, if you remember, I mentioned we took out $55,000. $40,000 went to her RRSP. That left $15,000 left. I suggested she pay off her credit cards, and she did. So by doing this strategy, this overall wellness program, she did a variety of things. As you'll notice, she not only decreased her mortgage payment by $135, but she eliminated her line of credit, she eliminated her credit cards and the payments that go along with both of those, and she also increased her RRSP by $40,000. Not bad for a one-day financial wellness program, wouldn't you say? So let's go a little further down here and let's just cap it. Her net worth increased to $120,000, so that was a 14% increase in one day. Listen, this is not brain surgery, but it is something that most mortgage brokers don't know. So you want to make sure that you have someone in your corner that really knows all the ins and outs of not just interest rates and mortgages, but really a wellness program like this that if you're like Mary, you're going to feel 100% better once it's implemented. So like I say, my service is free. I'm a click away at www.notapennydown.com, or call me on my direct line at 604-273-2002. So make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.